Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Pepe, give you guys the daily analysis, continue supporting the way you guys are, and I will continue to bring these daily updates for you guys. So if we're looking at the markets right now, you are seeing some handful coins that are up right now. At the same time, you're seeing some coins still in the red. And if you've been noticing, you're seeing a lot of volatility within the price of Bitcoin, which is impacting a lot of altcoins right now. What you're noticing is, Bitcoin goes back above $66,000 and then makes its way back below that. And we've been seeing this over the last, I would say, even 24 hours now. A lot of that has been happening, and it has been causing a lot of moves within the meme coin market as well, which and the altcoins, of course, which has got it causing a lot of people to be kind of getting ticked off. But there it is. I've been saying, let's be realistic. Whales will try to come out and shake out the weak hands, and we're starting to see that happening. A lot of longs and shorts are being impacted left and right. But let's take a closer look and see what we're looking at with Pepe, and of course what is yet to come. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price of Pepe, 1221, still about 4 zeros in front of the price, down about 1.1% in USD comparative. But if you're looking at it in Ethereum comparative right now, guys, it's up 3%, which is really nice to see. And what a lot of people right now are ignoring about Pepe is the rank. Let's actually really take in what current rank Pepe holds in the entire crypto space. It's ranked at the top 25th spot in the whole crypto space. Let that sink in, guys. And the market cap right now is holding really strong, above $5 billion, exactly 5.13 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $1.6 billion. And again, that should not be ignored as well. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening. If you're looking at the holder count, let me bring out the holder count for you guys so you guys know what is happening. So clearly, you can see this for yourself. Holder count has been increasing at a very, very sharp rate. And again, if you do follow me on my channel, you guys know how great of a tool this really is to kind of give you guys an indication as to how much interest there really is. And there is definitely a lot of interest. If there was no interest, do you really think that Pepe would be having a market valuation of $5 billion? Absolutely not. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening with the broader meme coin market. So if you're looking at the broader meme coin market right now, $53.4 billion is the combined market valuation. A lot of coins right now are in the red over the last 24 hours. But you're starting to notice one specific thing about one of the largest meme coins, which is Shiba Inu. And if you've been following me on my channel for quite some time, and you're watching these Pepe updates on a day-to-day basis, I've been saying Shiba Inu really has there's a chance that Shiba Inu spot does get taken away, and I do believe there is going to be one coin this cycle that will take over it. And as of now, the one that is in the lead, that has that head start, is none other than Pepe for itself. And you can see this for yourself. It's above $5 billion market valuation, a brand new narrative, not seen before. Frog coin, and of course holder count is increasing. Pretty much every major exchange has listed Pepe on their platform, so it has pretty much everything it needs in order to get to that level. And as of now, it's looking like it is trying to get to that level. So we're going to be obviously analyzing the chart on a day-to-day basis, but let's see what happens, unless of course Shiba Inu comes out and announces something absolutely astonishing, or we do start hearing about ETFs. And again, in a grand scheme of things, guys, ETFs, I'm not even too big of a fan of ETFs. I think sure, they can do something for the price here and there, but the major ETF that you really wanted to see was of course Bitcoin. And then after that, you're going to see a lot of other coins enter Wall Street. There's no secret about that. We're going to start seeing a lot of coins. Me personally, I would love to see Solana being listed, but I do believe that there will be also one or a few meme coins that will actually make it to Wall Street. But again, which one are they going to be? We do not know. Only time is going to tell. But let's take it a step further and see what we're looking at in terms of Bitcoin. So if you're looking at BTC right now, dominance 55.62%. So obviously it is increasing. But what you're noticing right now with Bitcoin is, Bitcoin is having a lot of volatility. And if you want to see that, just take a look at it on the hourly time frame, and you will start to understand what's going on. So you can pretty much see this for yourself. A lot of a lot of moves towards the upside around 67K, retest back down, 67K almost, retest back down. So a lot of volatility definitely occurring within the price of Bitcoin. But again, that is to be expected. After you do see these types of swings, you do want to be kind of thinking realistically rather than thinking the market is just going to go up. We've seen massive swings before as well, and this is just part of the cycle. But so far so good. But I still do believe a $64,000 retest is in play right now for Pepe. But with that being said, let's take a look at what's happening with the price of Pepe. So Pepe has been consolidating within this range. We've discussed that yesterday. But what did actually end up happening with Pepe was it went to the 1311 zone. Remember that zone that I did speak to you guys about before? That retest actually did happen just today. But of course, as I've said to you guys, we did see a little bit of a shakeout in the price of Bitcoin, and we know what's going to happen with Pepe along with the entire meme coin market or altcoin market. It is going to react to it no matter what, and you are seeing Pepe reacting to this. But it's looking like it is wanting to break out. It wants to break out towards the major key resistance at the 1457 zone, and it's looking more likely than ever that we do get to that spot once Bitcoin kind of has a little bit of a stable movement within its price. But if we were to switch our focus towards the hourly time frame, you can really understand as to what I'm saying. You could see this consolidation phase that's occurring, and we're actually starting to see higher price movements as well, which just happened today at the 1310 zone. So these are some things that you need to keep in mind, because now what you're looking at Pepe doing is that exact same spot where we were hanging around over the past few days, that exact same spot is coming as a level of support. You can't make this up. You can literally see this for yourself right now. And if the price of Pepe is able to close even at this candle, the daily candle around here, that again confirms even more that we are going to see more upside in Pepe in the short period in the upcoming days ahead. But with that said, you do want to pay very close attention to BTC, and obviously there's no secret that if Bitcoin does drop down to $64,000, there's no secret that this move that we are seeing might get invalidated for a few moments. But I am rooting more for an upside for Pepe rather than a downside right now, because we have seen a substantial downside, but you are seeing a beautiful pattern playing out right now. If you are noticing right now, you see a massive move, you see a massive retracement, massive move, massive retracement, and I think we're in for a move, and potentially could even go to that Shiba Inu spot. But let's take it one step at a time. Obviously that is a huge statement to make, but that's just speculation at the end of the day. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys, and of course, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.